children, let's start with chapter number 8, algorithm and sequence. So in this chapter, we will study about algorithm and sequence, branching, if then statement, abstraction and debugging. So let's start with the chapter. Here what you have to do, you have to write the steps of brushing your teeth. So what is algorithm and sequence? Algorithm is a set of step-by-step instruction to solve a problem. Let's understand it, and with the help of example, the possible steps are as follows. Take money and go to shop. आप मनी लें, आप शॉप पे जाएं, चूज अ चॉकलेट्स ऑफ योर चॉइस, पे मनी टू द शॉपकीपर, टेक अ बैलेंस अमाउंट इफ एनी. Finally, you get the desired result, that is chocolate, and you have created an algorithm. So know that sequencing is a particular order in which instruction are performed in a algorithm. जिसमें जो instruction है उनको perform करा जाता है कहाँ? Algorithm. The self evaluation you have to do yourself. After that, we have branching if statement. So for that, you must have heard something like this from a parent of elder. You get a good marks in exam, condition, then you will get a dash. You have to write the condition. Similarly, some algorithm also contain those condition which is based on instruction. So if then branching is conditional statement, it is used to decide execution of the statement of some condition. So first the condition is checked, and if it's time true, only the certain course of action will take place. So let's understand this with the help of algorithm. So go to a restaurant, order soup and noodles. If you arrives first, then pick a spoon. If noodles arrive first, then pick a fork. So here you are instructed to pick up spoon. Spoon arrives before the noodles, and if noodles arrives first, then a fork. So this is, you have to match. This is self-evaluation. You have to do yourself. Then we have abstraction. So it means to focus on the important information and ignore the rest. It means filtering out data. What you have to do, you have to filter out data here. So let us clarify with the help of example. Children, you know different shapes as square, triangle, rectangle. In our real world also, we see the shapes in everyday. Objects such as sun, birthday cap, rectangular, all are as shown here. And we can easily tell the shape of this object. That sun is round, सर्कुलर, बर्थडे की जो कैप होती है वो ट्राइंगुलर होती है, और पेंसिल बॉक्स रेक्टेंगुलर होता है. नाउ वी हैव डीबगिंग. व्हाट इज डीबगिंग? इट इज द प्रोसेस. ये प्रोसेस होता है टू फाइंड एंड रिमूव बग्स, देन दीज बग्स कैन बी रिमूव्ड. एल्गोरिथम वर्क करेक्टली. सो स्टेप 1 इज वेक अप, गेट ड्रेस, रश, ब्रश टीथ, टेक बाथ, ईट ब्रेकफास्ट एंड गो टू स्कूल. There is a mistake and bug in the step 4. That should come after step 4. So we need to debug. So wake up, brush the teeth, right? Take a bath, get dressed, eat breakfast and go to school. After debugging, your algorithm will be correctly written. So these are the different things you can do yourself, right? Now we have completed the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.